welcome back on this Thursday morning. So today we're expecting milder conditions, even though it's chilly one out there this morning. Most areas are in the 30s, but we're seeing some upper 20s along the Wisconsin state line. Now our highs today will be about 10 degrees or so above the normal. We are expecting our highs to generally be near 60 degrees. We're expecting mainly upper 50s to a few low 60s in interior areas and our shorelines in the upper 50s. Remember, we are supposed to be at around 48 for this time of year. Daytime hours dry with some sunshine mixing in. We are expecting some rain showers to move in tonight, extending through tomorrow morning when we need the rain. That rainfall amount basically on the low end at around 1/4 inch expected out of the next round. So not expecting a whole lot of rain. We are looking at 50s into the weekend, dry conditions for Saturday and Sunday, and then things become more active early next week. That could bring in more rain, and that bodes well. We're really looking forward to that potential as we continue with the ongoing wildfire risk. Now today it's a lower risk, most areas from a low to a moderate level, but that's because we have lower wind speeds today. Here's the next frontal boundary. It's over in the Dakotas. It will track from west to east, and we will have initially clear skies, but the clouds increase as it gets a little closer. Here's the timeline of it. Here's 7 p.m. in the evening hours. We start to see a few of these scattered rain showers try to work into the western UP. There's going to be a line of rain that moves into the western counties right around midnight. This is 1 a.m. And then it tracks from west to east overnight. So by tomorrow morning, check that out. That's 7 a.m. We still have some very light scattered rain showers. Things kind of dry out as clouds clear out for tomorrow afternoon. And then there's a small chance for some spotty rain during the overnight hours into early Saturday morning for the eastern UP as our wind flow will be more northwesterly. So that puts us in a position for some very light lake effect rain showers into early Saturday. The rest of the weekend, dry sunshine, a lot of sunshine for our trick-or-treaters out there in comfortable conditions as well. So this weekend also maybe a good weekend with lower rain potential on Saturday and Sunday to do some yard cleanup and some lower winds as well. As far as temperatures this weekend, at around 2 to about 5 degrees above the normal on Saturday. Sunday will be a little bit milder than that. Will range around 10 to about 12 degrees above the normal. So it will feel good for our trick-or-treaters. No need for that snowsuit. Then things change next week. We'll notice that warm air continue for about 3 days. This is Monday in the jet stream. Now watch what happens by the end of next week. So we're skipping forward all the way to next Friday. There is some colder air that settles in to kick off the month of November. So here's another recap of the extended forecast. Again, those changes coming in early next week with that rain potential. It's going to be a frontal boundary that'll be very slow to move through the region, and in fact it will stall just west of us. So bringing in some very light rain for early Tuesday morning, and then a better shot for rain for Tuesday afternoon, and then again on Wednesday. So here's a look at Wednesday as well. Wednesday morning, kind of quiet. Here comes the front moving in. Wednesday afternoon, a little bit more wet, extending into Wednesday night. After this, a cooler stretch will follow to kick off.